What is up, YouTube? It's ScootyTee here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on a Harley Davidson Nightster special, a 2024. It's a 975cc liquid cooled motorcycle. And yeah, surprise, today's video is going to be short and sweet. It's mainly going to be focusing on basically a channel update, and this is the biggest thing. So we're going to go ahead and throw a leg over the saddle of this motorcycle, and we're going to go for a quick ride just around my local city and talk about the changes coming to the channel. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to say, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys, and yeah, I'll see you on the road. Alright, guys, here we are out on the road. We're going to just be doing some cruising today. Nothing too exciting, but I did want to bring this video to you guys. It's been about a year since I've uploaded to the channel, and if I'm not mistaken, the last video that I uploaded on this channel was when me, my fiance, and my best friend went to Andretti and did go-kart racing. That was a ton of fun. So let's go ahead and talk about where I've been and just where this channel is going and what the main focus is going to be from this video and moving forward. So hopefully this footage turns out okay, because I mean, it is the evening time, but the weather is just so beautiful, and all my gear just came in today. Not my motorcycle gear, but the gear that I needed to start recording again. So I'll leave all of that kind of linked in the comment section. Well, not in the comment section, I'm sorry. All this grass clippings, holy crap. I will leave it in the description of this video below. So if you want to check out what motorcycle that I have or the gear that I chose to record this video with and audio, make sure to go down and visit that description. And while you're down there, guys, I want to say it again. Subscribe! Show me some love. The little YouTuber trying to come back here. But anyways, let's talk about where I've been first. So from those of you who visited this channel early on and seen my earlier videos, I had a Varla Eagle 1V2 scooter that inspired me really to start making YouTube videos, and it was a ton of fun making videos with it. I had a fantastic time. The main problem was I really didn't have many places to ride the thing. Me and my fiance needed some money. I was in a pretty bad financial state in life, so I had to sell it. And when the scooter went, so did the content. I didn't have really anything to make videos on. I couldn't go to my ride-out events anymore. It really sucked, but I really wanted to get back out onto the road. At the time, I found me a really decent job last year, and you know, everything was starting to come back full circle for me, and I was like, you know what? I want a motorcycle. It was the most extreme thing. So I ended up going to Harley Davidson. I picked out this bike, and I didn't test ride it, didn't do anything. You know, I didn't have my license at the time, so I couldn't. And I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and get it. So I bought it, and I didn't even know how to ride it, so I had it delivered. And luckily, I had a family friend who decided to come by and teach me how to ride. And I'm glad that light was starting to turn red, because I don't like pissing people off behind me, but I couldn't see beyond that truck, so I wasn't about to pull out there. Yep, and there's a copper right there. Dun dun dun. Whatever. But anyway, yeah, I didn't have my license or anything. Just a couple of weeks ago, I went to a motorcycle foundation course. I signed up and I passed on my very first attempt, guys. Perfect score. Not really fair though, because I've been riding for a year. I'll talk about my experience with that. I went and took my evaluation, and I went and took the course with Lone Star Bikers here in Mesquite, Texas. So I'll talk about that and stuff a little in another video. This is just mainly an update and a focus kind of on what the channel is going to be now. So yeah, we're going to be a motorcycle vlogging channel, guys, hands down. Hopefully within the next coming months, I can get out and test ride some new motorcycles and whatnot, because like I said, I did pass my course. I'm going next month. I believe September the 11th is my appointment, and I am getting my official M-Class stamp of approval endorsement on my driver's license. So that is very exciting. That way I can go and test ride motorcycles, and hopefully my local Harley Davidson will love me enough to allow me to record and make content. And yeah, at the same time I'll give them a little bit of shout out and hopefully shoot some business their way and grow this YouTube channel. I got some strategies and some ideas. I'm just hoping everything works out, but the only way that's going to work out is if you guys show some love and some support. But I want it to be genuine. If you don't like the content or you don't like my annoying ass, don't bother subscribing. Tell me the truth. Comment what you think below, guys. That feedback is very important to me, definitely as a small upcoming YouTuber. I'm definitely reading it. But yeah, this is gonna be a motorcycle vlogging channel from now on, guys. If I happen to get another scooter or an e-bike or whatever the case may be, we will branch the channel off and still enjoy those things. The description of this channel also includes e-bikes and that kind of stuff, so I'm not gonna forget where I came from or the Facebook group that gave me all the love and support when I started this channel in the first place. So yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying this small ride. It's not really that scenic, definitely being at night, but I got some ideas for content to come. I just wanted to get this video out, guys, and show y'all that, hey, I'm still around. And you're gonna see, well, you should already see new thumbnails. I got a new logo and everything that I got designed on the channel, but all the videos that I made last year that started this channel, I'm keeping it there. That is beautiful, oh my god. But I get distracted so easily, but I'm keeping all that stuff up, guys. Those videos are important to me. They got great memories and stuff, with some good friends that I still talk to and everything, just not as much, and I want to keep all of that there. But oh man, I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm so happy to be back. Being on the saddle again is a lot of fun too. Alright, I need to stop acting like a jackass. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. I really don't have too much more to say. I just wanted to let you guys know kind of where I've been and let y'all know that I am back. I'm back crack-a-lack-a-lackin'. So I hope y'all can find it in your hearts to forgive me for being missing in action for as long as I was. And I promise y'all, it won't happen again. Alright, I'm here to stay. ScootyTee is here to stay. And at the moment, I'm a Harley rider. But I'm not a stereotypical traditional Harley rider. So don't hate me, please. But on that note, thanks for watching. As you guys can see, this video is very directionless, but you'll probably see that a lot as videos come out until I get used to doing this again. But yep, we'll see you in the next one.